we don't say words.
Good morning. I have the nerve, right? Coming on here and talking about good morning. Where have I been? I've been here. Cheers to coffee that my husband made, which is really nasty, but good morning. I've missed you guys so much. A lot has happened. A lot is going on, but I just wanted to hop on here and tell y'all that I haven't forgot about you guys, and I had all the good intentions of coming back and, you know, sharing my life here on YouTube, but my mother-in-law passed away. My children are growing up. We are in this weird stage of teenage life that we know nothing about. Children don't want to be recorded. They want you to respect their privacy, and I'm just over here like, when did we get here? Where are my children? And I just don't know. So I just figured I would share my life. Why is my forehead so shiny? Why am I glowing? Thank you, Lord, I am glowing. But okay, let me catch y'all up in a short little breath. So I have painted my cabinets. My kitchen is a hot mess. Nothing is new around here. I decided I was going to clean up my kitchen, but then I decided that I would update you guys. So I painted my cabinet. Beautiful. I painted the hardware gold. I don't know why I'm telling y'all this, because who cares? Who really follows me anymore? No one. But I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know that lunch videos will be back. I recorded this morning, so lunch videos will be back. I now have a job. I work now outside the home. No, it's part-time. I work at my children's school in the pre-K room. So what? Okay, and also I am still in school. I am currently set to finish in June, so I am working on my master's in psychology. And school is schooling right now. It's getting really hard, but I still have a 4.0. Yeah, me. I don't know how. Don't ask me. I'm really enjoying school. And what happened? Destiny went to homecoming. What? She went to homecoming. I didn't even share that. We are going to Disney for Christmas, mainly because this is gonna be their first Christmas without Rob's mom, and I wanted for them to be outside of our environment, our routine, because his mom was big on Christmas. So not having her here for their first Christmas without her, I felt like I needed to do something special. So I'm taking my entire family to Disney. My girlfriend is also going to Disney, so her family, my family will be in Disney for Christmas. And Maddie is excited, and that's all that really matters. We are chugging along with the life situation, and life is lifing right about now. So anyways, I'm gonna clean up my kitchen and I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna show you the mess, and you guys are gonna see what I can achieve, and that's gonna be the vlog for today. Just me cleaning up my house and just updating you guys on my life. Okay, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will try my best to be consistent and keep up and bring you guys along for this journey of raising teenagers and a 6-year-old. Because why did we decide to start over? I don't know, because the twins will be 18 years old next year. 18! And I decided that I wanted to start all over with Mad. But anyway, whatever. We're gonna clean. Alright, so this is the mess that we're working with. Maddie had some Takis. I made lunch. I was trying to organize my life. Is it just me that when you decide to do something new, you take out a notebook and a pen and write down everything that you want to accomplish, and it never happens? Because so that's that. My husband made breakfast for the children yesterday. He didn't put the griddle back. He is a big breakfast person on the weekend, so that's the reason why. Our island is a hot mess. Destiny did dishes yesterday, but Jordan didn't drive, so I have to put away all the dishes. They're all clean, and I have to clean the stove. This is the cabinet color. It's beautiful. I love it. I forgot the pashmina. Oh man, it's pashmina, and then I painted the wall chantilly lace on this side. So there's so many, and then I also did an accent wall over here. I haven't painted it yet. Can I share with y'all? And I also did an accent wall over there, and this is old. I just put the couch this way. Everything else is the same. Oh, I got this beauty 2 days ago, and my dream vase. Beauty, look at her. And this is my dream lamp. Like, get up into the detail. I love this lamp. Yeah, for $450, it better shine bright like a what? A diamond. That's the only, and I built this skinny bench thing. All up on, you know, all the details of my life. But anyways, let's get cleaning.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
So the oven's finished. I cleaned the stove. I wiped the stove and the microwave down. I didn't clean it. And then I have the dishes in the sink for the older kids. They have chores, so that's their chore. I do not do the chores. I will clean around it, and then I just have the eating area. I did Madison's hair, and they had breakfast on here. You just need to put them shoes away, straighten up this living room, straighten up that living room, and sweep the floor, and then we should be finished. I believe so. But as long as the kitchen is clean, that's all that matters, because we come through that door, and I don't like when my husband walk into chaos. So as long as this area is clean, I don't really care about the rest. But I'm gonna finish this area, and it's, what time is it? It is 8:53. I have to stop and take a shower, so probably stop at 9:15. Let's go.
I was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, right away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your eyes. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You weren't always like this. Don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you. Guess that I couldn't do that. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart in your rain. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Tell me, 'cause I wanna know. Oh, just please tell me why. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Hey, you had my heart in your right. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar?
Okay, so I'm all done with a couple minutes to spare on my battery. My battery is dying, but it's 9:17. I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready for therapy. See y'all later. Bye.